Guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete or remove Instagram Google Smart Lock in Android. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to remove Instagram Google Smart Lock on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to go to your Gmail app, open your Gmail. If you are using multiple Gmail IDs, then you need to select the Gmail ID which is linked to the Instagram. Just tap on the profile icon and select the Gmail ID which is linked to the Instagram. After selecting, and tap on the Google account. After tapping the Google account, you can see here security option. Just tap on the security. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here password manager. Just tap on the password manager. Guys, here you can see all the listed apps. In this, you need to find Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. You can see here, if you want to change your Instagram password, you can change it from here. Or if you have forgotten your Instagram password, you can get your Instagram password from here. If you want to remove Google Smart Lock, just tap on the delete. Just tap on the delete. Guys, now your Instagram Google Smart Lock password has been removed. Guys, now your Instagram Google Smart Lock has been removed from Android. That's it, guys. So in this way, you can delete or remove Instagram Google Smart Lock in Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.